Good morning, children. I am Intisar Ahmed, economics teacher. Today I am going to teach you the topic circular flow of income. You know, circular flow of income in a two-sector economy is based on the two main sectors, and they are household and firms. Households are those who are the consumers and also the factor suppliers, like they own land, capital, or their services. On the other hand, firms are the producers who take the help of households, get the factor services from them, and produce goods for them. So today I am going to explain this chart. You can see in front of you circular flow of income. So these are the two sectors in the economy, household and firms. Now, what households do for firms? It provides factor services like land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship to the firms. But these services are not provided free of cost. Firms has to make payment to these factors. So this is land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship supply is a physical flow or a real flow, and against that the firms are making payment to the households in the form of rent, that is against land, wages for the services of labor, interest for the capital, and finally profit for entrepreneurship. So it resulted in the earning of the households. Okay. Now where these earnings are going to be utilized? As you know, these factors were taken by the firms. So what the firms do with these factors? They will produce goods. Now for whom they are producing the goods? They are producing goods for the households. So you can see the supply of goods from firms to household. Now again, these goods are not provided by the firms to the households free of cost. Households has to make payment, so that would be called consumption expenditure, or you can say the payment of goods, payment for goods from household to firms. So it means the money which came from firm to households gone back to firms. So in this way you can see this flow goes on. This cycle goes on. Money flows from household to firms and firms to household. Likewise, factors of production from household to firms and goods flow from firms to household. So you can see the connectivity between real flow, which is also called as physical flow, money flow, which is also called as nominal flow. But this circular flow of income, you can say in a two sector economy, will work only when three assumptions are followed. This two sector economy can also be called as simple economy. It can also be called as a traditional economy. These are the synonyms. Now it will work, this circular flow and this circulation of income, generation of income, disposition of income, going from household to firm and firm to household, will work only in three conditions. What are those? These you can say three assumptions. The first assumption is that there is no leakage or injection. Leakage or injection means that neither the households nor the firms are saving. Okay, no one is saving, means whatever they are earning they are spending in the economy. So maybe we are talking about the very initial stage of the economy where people are not able to earn that much that they can save. It is very difficult to survive, so whatever they earn they spend. Hence there is no leakage of savings. Similarly, there is no injection. When there is no saving, there is no investment, because these savings will result in investment in the economy. So neither saving nor investment in the economy. This is the first assumption to make this flow successful. Second assumption is still you see there is no word government written in the chart. That means government is there in the economy, but government is not interfering in the process, in the you can say this circular flow. Neither the government is restricting them for any reason, nor they are helping in any way to these household or firms. So government is there, but there is no intervention of the government. Okay. Then third is it is a closed economy. Closed economy in the sense neither the inflow nor outflow taking place, means we are self dependent. Either we have more resources or less resources, we are self reliant, self dependent. हमें दूसरे पर डिपेंडेंट नहीं है बिल्कुल, कहीं भी इसमें कोई फॉरेन सेक्टर या रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड नहीं आ रहा. दैट मीन्स whatever we have, we are utilizing it less or more. So neither export nor import. So no outflow of the people or capital from one country to other, and similarly we are not able to get any help from other country. So if we are lacking with anything, we are not importing it. If we are having anything in surplus, we are not able to export. Similarly, neither if we people are going to abroad, so there is no income from abroad, nor they are coming to our country, so there is no income to abroad. So these are the three main assumptions. I am recalling them again. Okay, number one, no leakage, no injection. Second, economy, there is no intervention of government. You can say that economy is called free economy or a capitalist economy, where the means of production, factors of production are owned, managed and governed by private sector. So there is no interference of government. Third way, economy is closed and we are not in any way taking help of other country, or we are not helping them at all. Then you can see the flow works successfully in a two-sector economy. Now in this diagram you can see the separation of these two flows, that is real flow and money flow, which I am connecting with the previous diagram that we have shown circular flow of income in a two-sector economy, and there you have seen the interaction of household with firms and firm with household. Now separated, that is real flow is the flow of goods and services or the factors, which you can also call as physical flow. Like you can see what households are doing, they are providing factor services to the firms. On the other hand, when the firms using these factor services producing goods, now they are supplying these goods to the households. Okay, so this is real flow. Now second flow, that shows money flow in the economy, which is also called as nominal flow. Now you can see what the firms are doing, because in real flow you have seen they have taken factors like land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship from household. So now they have to make payment to households. So the firms made payment to the household in the form of rent, wages, interest and profit, which resulted in the income of household. Now where they are going to use this income to fulfill their needs. So where from they will fulfill their needs? The firms are going to supply the goods to them, and then firms, the payments are to be made by household to the firms. So again the money which came to household gone back to the firms. So this is finally circular flow of income, and it has two parts, real flow and money flow. Thank you.